In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to disable mobile menu search form in OceanWP theme. So right now I'm on my website. Now I'll right-click on my site and click on Inspect. Now the Inspect element is open, and click here to change the view mode to mobile. And you can see the search form here. We already have a search bar in menu here, so I'm going to show you how you can disable this. Back to the dashboard, go to Appearance. Then click on Customize. This is the OceanWP theme customizer. Now go to Header Settings, and then click here on Mobile Menu. Here you have several menu settings. Now scroll down to Mobile Header Search Icon Settings. In the icon style, just select Disable here. Then click on Publish. And you can view the site on a mobile screen from here. As you can see, the search form is not here anymore. Also, I'll go back to my site and reload the page, and as you can see, the changes appear on the front end as well. If you want to know how to add a custom background in OceanWP theme, we have a video explaining how you can do that too. I'll link it in the description below, or you can also click on the eye icon on the top right corner of your screen to view the video. But that's it. This is how you can disable mobile menu search form in OceanWP theme. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.